Hello, I'm Stephen Farrance. I'm an intuitive psychic medium, and I've co-created with the universe a Lightworkers workshop. And in this Lightworkers workshop, I'm going to show you how to cut the cords, ground, cleanse your energy and protect your energy. We're going to be working with the energy of the soul, and I'm going to show you how to bring the energy of the soul up. I'm going to explain to you exactly what a Lightworker is, and we're going to be working with the violet flame to release all we no longer need and to release all of our karma. We're going to talk about the ego, and I'm going to show you how to do some fear-facing work, show you how to drop the shields and build up brand new boundaries that we make out of love. There's a beautiful channeled meditation from Jesus and a channeled message from him. We're going to work with the energy of forgiveness, and I'm going to show you how to use the energy of forgiveness and grace for your highest good, and how to release stuff that you no longer need, all through the acts of forgiveness. I'm going to talk to you about self-love and why it's so important, and there's a channeled meditation from Mary Magdalene and Mother Mary I will be giving you. I'm going to be telling you all about the help that's available to each and every single one of us, and I'm going to show you how to connect with your personal angels and guides. There's a channeled meditation from Melchizedek on how to raise your vibration and how to do this the right way and what this is all about. There's a channeled message and meditation from Archangel Metatron to clear your old vibes and old intentions, and I'm going to show you how to make some brand new ones. I'm going to show you how to release yourself from the fear of persecution and how to leave the past behind, and so you can start afresh as a Lightworker. I'm going to show you how to answer the call of a Lightworker, and I'm going to give you a Lightworker's declaration that will help you get started on this journey, on your personal unique path. I'm going to give you another couple of Lightworkers meditations to help better yourself. I'm going to show you a very powerful method of manifestation. We're going to have a massive cleanse with the dragons, and then I'm going to introduce you to the beings that are the Council of Light. Then I'm going to lead you through a meditation to meet the Council of Light and to attune you to the Council of Light, so you can seek their guidance and connect with them at any time that you need to. This is a powerful time to be a Lightworker, and I'm going to show you what it is that a Lightworker really is and why you have the potential to be a Lightworker. I've given you up to now everything that I can to help you on the path of a Lightworker and to help you embody the light and love and energy of your soul. I look forward to working with you soon.